Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast using Texas toast. This hearty breakfast is perfect for any morning. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 4 slices of thick Texas toast, 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, have 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a pinch of salt ready for the batter. Don't forget butter or cooking spray for your griddle. Now let's create the perfect batter. In a shallow dish, whisk 4 large eggs until they are well combined and slightly frothy. Next, gradually incorporate 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Finally, stir in a small pinch of salt. This simple mixture will give your French toast an incredible flavor and a beautiful golden finish. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat your griddle or skillet to a medium-low temperature, ideally around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly coat each slice of Texas toast in the prepared egg batter, ensuring it's soaked for about 10 seconds on each side. Then, place the soaked toast on the hot griddle. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once your French toast is perfectly golden and cooked, transfer it immediately to a plate. Now comes the fun part, topping it. Drizzle with your favorite maple syrup, sprinkle with powdered sugar, or add fresh berries and a dollop of whipped cream. This hearty and delicious breakfast is sure to be a hit. Enjoy your homemade Texas toast French toast with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.